Before connecting, the probe and app both need to be registered. Watch the video Registration and Activation first. Ensure your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your display device. Start by turning on your Vscan Air probe. A blinking white light alternating between the two ends indicates that the probe is booting up. Now open the Vscan Air app. The LED light will switch to a blinking white light on both ends to indicate that the probe is on and searching for the app. Once the app is detected in the vicinity, the LED lights will turn to a steady white on both sides. On Android devices, the user is quickly taken to the image screen to start scanning. On iOS devices, the user needs to confirm pairing before the screen will change to the scan screen. Once paired, you are ready to scan. The connected and active side of the probe will display a steady blue light.